I've always wanted an older man.
You guys want to breach the same way we breached last time?
Huh?
Breach the same way?
Yeah. Yeah, let's head up. Let's head up and go around the back. All right.
Well, yeah. We'll take this road then and meet them in the middle.
It might be a good idea to hop to the half-broken part of the gate right up here.
Oh, you're right. Me, dude. Yep. Are they in the field? They're way out there, Hodgman.
Oh, down this way?
On the wall.
Right out that way.
Yeah. They're smoking it.
One's down, there's still more though.
I'm gonna hop on the
They're
door.
off on the bush down. Kind of left under. Huh? He's up. He's up still.
He's hit.
Maybe.
Think you can frag it?
Yeah, I do.
Here.
How do I?
It's a hard pull and then the spoon. Oh, almost good. Oh, I got hit. You not calling that?
No.
Did he call it? How's it going over here? Ooh, nice.
Good fucking throw, dude. Nice.
The next compound past his house.
Past the wall gate, do the building the wall meet. Right?
Oh, shit. Over here on this wall too. Damn, just short.
On the corner of the building.
Right here. Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah. There we go. Get him.
Yeah.
Get him. Oh,
Right on top of them.
Nice.
I'm gonna throw him to that next compound.
Go for it.
Here we go.
Oh, that went in my.
Right in the mesh.
You guys want to go to the street?
Yeah, I am ready to fire. I got a million desires.